Hey guys, welcome to PandaTube on my channel. Today is going to be a special video because we are going to be showing you guys what's inside a Bluetooth fidget spinner. Now mine is pretty messed up because, look. So let's say I want to turn it on. It doesn't turn on, it needs battery. So I charge it for like 4 hours and it only turns on while it's on the plug. So that's the problem with mine. So let's get to it, showing you what's inside my fidget spinner. So guys, before you even do this, please be concerned that I never tell you to do this. So just get to my set. Let me see if there's too much sun. Okay. This is just a little thing for my camera. Okay, so guys, you can see it. So as you guys can see, this is my spinner. So what we're gonna be doing is, you guys see this? This is from any push pin or a pin. So it doesn't, and you just take it out. So what I'm gonna be doing is, where the switch to turn it on is at, guys. See that? I'm gonna be sticking this in it. So when you stick it in, wait. So oh no, stay still. So guys, when you stick it in, what it does is that it's gonna open the inside. See? Right now, all I did was just open the inside. And be conservative. If you stick it all the way in, what's gonna happen is that it's just gonna damage the inside of the system, and it's gonna break, and it's just gonna shut down on you. So even if you try, I think that's what happened. I dropped it too many times, and the system just gave up on me. So I stabbed myself. Okay. Well, this is now what it looks like. You're gonna see you're gonna be experiencing a little few cracks, but guys, just know that it's nothing. It's gonna be part of this. Let's see what's inside. Still, wow, fidget spinners these days are. Let me see, like. Okay. So I gotta open a little bit, guys. So let's get in here. And about the fight last night, Conor McGregor against Mayweather, that was a crazy fight because at the 10th round, like, McGregor was like, like, uppercut, KO, like, he thought he was gonna knock out Mayweather. But he was really wrong. Like, Mayweather came back at the 10th round and said, oh, really? And boom, McGregor felt Mayweather's power punch. Ugh. But it was a really good fight. Okay, so guys, this is now what it's looking like. I'm actually doing this video because I was looking up how to fix it because, as I show you guys, it's really messed up. So I just got an idea. You know what? Let me just make a video about what's inside a super LED fidget spinner. Like people would love to know that. So. I'm bleeding. Guys, don't do this unless you want to cut yourself. As you see, guys, I'm not really sticking it in here. What I'm doing is I'm leaving it on the side so it won't go in and break the system. So, oh, I got it open. Oh, come on. Guys. Come on, like, open. Sesame. Oh, guys, jackpot. I hit the jackpot. Nope, I did not. Oh, snap. Wait, yup, I hit the jackpot. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna open it. Come on. So, guys, I'm gonna be back in a minute, and I am gonna step it up with something even better. So, guys, unfortunately, I couldn't find what I wanted to find. So, we're gonna have to just keep on. Where's the bobby thingy? Just open it. I think it looks cracked open, but when you come to see, it's not even. Oh, watch. But guys, I can literally open it. I opened it. I opened it. Yep. I hit the jackpot. Look, guys, look, guys. Oh my god. Just to be known, these are specialized materials. I mean, just to be in know. On. Open. Guys, I opened it. Yep. This is what's inside a fidget spinner, a LED. What? I thought this was supposed to be complicated because, as you can see, this is like a cardboard, painted cardboard. Let me just, wow. Let me just show you guys something real quick. Let me see if it turns. If it turns on, guys, this is gonna be like the best video I've made. It is not turning on. It turned on.
Bluetooth mode.
It turned on.
Bluetooth mode.
So the problem with mine is that you see that dot right there, the red one. It goes off, and that's the thing to charge it. Now it just connected to my phone, and there's nothing really on good on my phone. But guys, wow, this is what's inside a fidget spinner, and especially a good one. Like I expected it, guys, to be like mad techy. So guys, let me just wow. Oh snap, I think I broke it. Wait. Nope, I did not break it. See guys, always step it up with a good fidget spinner. If you have a YouTube channel, always. Oh, I think I broke it. Yep, I broke it. Wait, no, I did not break it. Just came back in. Oh, wow. This is actually pretty crazy. So, this is just... I'm going to be making another video today because this video was really short. Then, let me just put it back. Like... Okay. And... Wait, what happened? And it's brand new. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's first video. Please remember guys to leave a like and subscribe if you are new. So I'll see you for the second video today. I like that video, but I've seen a few comments that wanted to see me fly my drone. So look, I'm flying it. They wanted to see me fly it, and I'm flying it. It's simple. Oh wait, look. I didn't even know the drone was on. I connected it. It could have gone on fire. And be know that drones, you guys can go on fire. So if you ever buy one, just really be careful with it. So this is the thing. So let me just set my camera up. So guys, I am here. My camera set up. So I just wanna turn it on. You guys can see it. Yep, you can see it. Let me just turn the remote on. I'm gonna be frying it on special. Wait, I played something else. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna be frying it. So as you can see right here, the drone, why gotta be careful with it? Because see how it's going everywhere? Mine is out of rubber. Like, like what mine says, guys, what mine says is, but it not to be going crazy everywhere, guys. It has a mode. It has a mode that no, I'm not gonna do it. It has a mode that while it's in the air, it stays in the air. Let me show you. Now it's in the air, and my remote's right here. So I got nothing. So the phone's just basically flying by itself. See that, guys? Oh, wrong button. So guys, as you can see, this is the drone. So I turned it off because I pressed the wrong button, and if I let it go, it's gonna hit me. So let me just do some tricks with it. I can flip it. Watch. That was a flip. Oh. Another flip. Oh, wow! Did you guys see that? It flipped like this. I did not know that. I just like literally tried that. Yo. So that So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you for the second video in today's video.